The name is that.
So we are here on the bank of Gani Rawatra, and this lake which is stinking. It is stinking not only of filth. It is not only stinking of filth but also stinking of corruption. And you know your jail returned the chief minister is being appealed to stop this kind of encroachment on this lake, which was 50 years before, and today it is only 14 acres left. And all the people beyond class and caste, if they are fighting this battle, I think the chief minister must attend to it, take cognizance, because if there are no lakes, there is no percolation into the groundwater aquifers, and the lakes were taking care of all the water needs requirements in India all over, whether in Madhya Pradesh or Andhra Pradesh, and in Tamil Nadu also the small tank culture was there. This is not even a small tank, it is a big tank. Someone like this, Dorai Swami, which is a big name, you know, but if they are influential politicians or supporters amongst politicians they have, then also they have no right and no business to really encroach upon the lakes. If the state government doesn't take cognizance of this, I suppose the National Green Tribunal is meant for same. And that's why the Modi government is want to also demolish National Green Tribunal. They don't want any environmental laws, they don't want any sanctions, any clearances. There may be voters of BJP also amongst this crowd, but I warn you that no law will remain in this country. This is what Advocate Harish Salve, who is the BJP person, had said openly in front of me when I was sitting in the court in Supreme Court. And our case against Adani company was to be heard. And he said openly, thank God, in the new government there is not going to be any taker for environmentalists. So we are not pure environmentalists. We are the people fighting for justice. And if the lake is lost, the surrounding areas and the people are affected, and the groundwater affected means the poor people's source of water and life goes away. So we must take action against them. The Bhavani river is also dying with dying industry. So the rivers, the lakes, the groundwater aquifers, if we don't have it, we may have enough of dollars and marks and euros and yens to eat with, because the agreements are being entered into. But we will not have pure water to drink and pure air to breathe. So we warn the Tamil Nadu government, and we uphold the struggle by the common people in the locality that is taken up to save the lake and regenerate the lake. I think if the lake is saved, even 14 acres, the people can take up, as I said, by Shramadan, the rejuvenation and regeneration of the lake. That is the spirit that we want to come.
Madam, what about Coca-Cola unit?
Coca-Cola is the water grabber. Others are land grabbers. Coca-Cola gets one small chunk of land, and all the groundwater reserve becomes owned by Coca-Cola. This is what happened in Pachimada, but the Irula Adivasis in Pachimada, under the leadership of Velu Odi Venugopal, who was with me yesterday in Bangalore, really have fought the battle and stopped that plant, and that's why the plant is being shifted to the Perundurai here. Now the Perundurai people have to join hands with Pachimada and take up the other struggle with the Green Movement people, Jivanandaji and others are here. National Alliance of People's Movements, young leader Arul Bhai is here. I think everyone joining hands, that alliance of people's movements brings in the true people's politics.
What about TASMAC shop in Tamil Nadu?
Coca-Cola is getting 30 lakh liters from the Narmada Sardar Sarovar Reservoir as the first right per day, 30 lakh liters. Car industry getting 60 lakh liters per day. This is Modi's model of development. Please keep in mind.
What is your opinion about TASMAC shops in Tamil Nadu? TASMAC.
Liquor, oh, the 6,000 and more liquor shops are the centers of destruction. And at least Jayalalitha, woman chief minister, is expected to stop this, because the women are the worst affected. That's why the young women and men have taken up the yatra, and we want that 24,000 crores rupees revenue should be replaced by the proper activities by the Tamil Nadu. The people of Tamil Nadu stood by Jayalalitha when she was in jail. She should not permit liquor to keep sending other men to jail. When they drink, they beat wives, and they will be tortured, and they will be sent to jail. And this is what is happening. All the crime is growing because of the liquor, drugs and intoxication.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.